Welcome to Education Sanstha's e-learning platform. At transitive and intransitive verbs, subject, object, and verb. Students, we are going to see at first the subject, object, and verb. Rubina is eating pizza. Here, Rubina is subject. Eating is a verb. And what is she eating? She is eating pizza. So, pizza is object. As we know how to identify the object by asking question what and whom to verb. A verb that does not make sense on its own in a sentence that requires an object, it is called a transitive verb. In short, verb requires to complete its sense object, it is called transitive verb. Let's see examples. Action that have a direct object to receive that action means the here, for example, the man love his children. The man is doer, love is his action, and the object is his children. So they are the receiver of that action. So love is a transitive verb. So let's see another example. The self holds the books. The self is subject, holds is the verb, and the books is direct object. So the hold is a transitive verb because it requires object to complete its sense. Here are some more examples. The doctor cured him. The doctor is doer and his action is cured. Him is an object. So here we can understand the verb cured requires object. So it is a transitive verb. She crossed the street. Here the crossed is also transitive verb. Rohan kicked the ball. Rohan is a doer and kicked is his action. The ball is object and the ball receives direct action by Rohan. So kick is a transitive verb. Now let's see about the intransitive verb. A verb that indicates complete action by itself in a sentence does not require an object. It is called an intransitive verb. Adverbs and prepositions usually follow intransitive verbs. Let's see some examples. Here are some examples. But before that, I am going to tell you in short one more definition. Action that doesn't have a direct object to receive that act or to receive that action. For example, snow fell yesterday. Here the snow is a doer, it fell, but there is a no direct receiver or direct objects. That's why the fell is an intransitive verb. Let's see some more examples. We failed. Here failed is there is no need of any object. So failed is intransitive object. She is sleeping. Here the action is over. There is no need of any object. So sleeping is intransitive verb. They work hard. Work is a verb and hard is an adverb. So work is a intransitive verb. Intransitive verb. One more example. My sister cries loudly. Here my sister is subject and cries is verb. It is it is intransitive verb because it doesn't require any object to complete its sense. But my sister cries loudly and loudly is a adverb. So the verb cries is intransitive verb. A transitive verb is incomplete without a direct object, whereas an intransitive verb makes complete sense without a direct object. For example, we watched. Here watched is transitive verb because it is required object to complete its sense. In the another sentence, I jumped in excitement. Here I jumped is a complete verb. There is no need of any object. So jumped is intransitive verb. It makes complete sense without direct object. Sometimes a transitive verb takes two objects. For example, direct object and indirect object. The order of the objects can be reversed in some sentences. Let's see. The order of the objects can be reversed in some sentences. I lent my toys to my friends. Here I lent my toys. My toys is direct object. What did I lend? My toys. So my toys is direct object. To whom did I lend? I lent it to my friends. So my friends is what? Indirect object. Here we can reverse both objects. For example, I lent my friends my toys. We have taken at first indirect object and then direct object. Some verbs can be used in both ways. Means we can use some verbs as a transitive and intransitive verb also. For example, the verb play. Ricky plays football. Here the plays is a transitive verb. In the another sentence, Ricky plays very well. Here it doesn't require any object and it is a intransitive verb. So students, thank you.